1:37 in favor of Clubs pa rin. 51:47. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Lopez. Lopez. 2 full labog. Back to Lopez. Lopez pa. Emergency number 29. Kent Ortega. First personal foul. 30 foul. Shooting 2, Simon Lopez. First shot is good. Second shot, makukuha kaya. Shooting 2 by Simon Lopez. 51-49 in favor of Raps. Man looping, pass to Aceron. Aceron, power move ni Aceron. No good. Rebound by. Rebound by Lopez. Lopez ang nauna na si Anaya. Anaya, Chubo. Stella, all 51. JM, Anaya, kondisyon. Grabe ka, kondisyon sa naon. Maniego, to Aceron sa ilalim. Logo pa rin. Rebound by Lopez. 3 minutes and 8. Lopez, ang madali. Lopez, Lopez. Chubo. Stage people na. 53-51. Steve by Kuroko. 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 Grabe, hindi nakita. Vanishing throw. Vanishing throw yun. 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Maraming salamat po sa mga bros natin na pumayag na mag-extend tayo. Salamat po nga, sir. Nugget, 5 tayo. Lamang na po dalawang BGC. Aceron. 2 points. Net lang all 53. Aceron. 2 minutes and 56 seconds. Second shot lang. All 53. Mula pang no good. Rebound by Ortega to Mateo. 2 points. Stage paper again. 55-53 by Grass. 2 minutes and 34. Morocco. Anaya. All alone. King Green. JM Anaya. 56-55. 2 minutes and 24. 2 minutes and 19 seconds. 15 seconds. Traveling without license. Nakita yun ni Remarcin. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Score 56-55. Oras 2 minutes and 5. Last 2 minutes. 15 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 3! EJ Burrito. 59-55. Lamang na po ng 4. Ang BGC. Wala side step by Mateo. 2 points. Napaka-poging naman dun. 59-57. Lamang pa rin BGC na dalawa. 1 minute and 28. 18 seconds to shoot. Nugget. Lima by Aceron. Aceron. Minigay-gay. Malupit. Touch pass. Nugget. 2 points. Manlupit. Deadlock all 59. Exactly 1 minute. Exactly 1 minute. 17 seconds shoot. Ramburino. Nugget. Di mabay. Aceron. Grabe nakakarami si Aceron. Kondisyon. To Mateo. 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 Steal kaya. Steal by Lopez. 38 seconds. Lopez. Lopez. Basket count by Lopez. Power jersey number 9. Number 9 or 29 left. Bonus shot by Lopez. No good. 28 seconds left. Maniego. 15 seconds to shoot. 21 seconds on the clock. 3. No good. 18 seconds left. Shot lock off. 14 seconds. Shot lock off. 10 seconds. 9. 8 seconds. 2 points. 5 seconds. 2, 1. And another game. Score. Pwede na po bumalik.
Bakit uminom mo na tubig? Wala pa.
Yuko!
Tisyo ko eh. Ayoko, tisyo ko eh. Hindi nangyari, wala pa sila dito. Baka mag-itching.
Okay po, back to the ball game na po. Back to the ball game. Back to the
May kasunod kayo eh.
Opo ma'am, nasabihan ko na po.
Tapusin nyo na.
Opo,
Kasi
sabi ko po, babayaran ko yung
sila.
ano eh.
Hindi.
Back to the ball game na po. Back to the ball game. Start na po. Start na po. Suboy Sean Ortega, 63-61. 9-39. 9-34. Andaya taking 3. JM Andaya, 66-61. In favor of PJC pa rin. Nugget, di ba ba? Bueno, 2 points. Bueno, 66-63. 9 minutes and 15. 9 minutes and 15. Anaya naman, libre na naman sa tres. Nugget, di ba ba? Lopez, Nugget, di ba ba? Mateo. Ang ganda pa sana naman noon. Nugget pa rin. 2 points. Well, Macron. 66-65. 1 point lead by PHC. 8 minutes and 45. Ball stays with PHC Hounders. Oras 8 minutes and 35 seconds. 17 seconds to shoot. 17 seconds to shoot. 17 seconds to shoot. 17 seconds. Anaya libre na naman. 4-3 na naman. Nugget. Primo by Ortega. Pass to Mateo. Mateo. Ball stays with Grabs. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds. Maniego pick. Maniego short jumper. 2 boys. Maniego. Change favor na po. 67-66. 67-66. Paso ang Kawili sa ilalim. 2 boys ang Kawili. Change favor. 68-67. Nauna na si Bueno. 2 boys. Change favor again. 69-68. 69-68. 15 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. Referee taking 3. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Ross. Seven minutes and 19. 1 point lead by Ross. 69-68. Out of bounds. Intercepted. 15 seconds to shoot. 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 Foul. Foul by jersey number 1. Lane Nakawili. Third personal foul. First team foul. Shooting 2. Sean Ortega. First shot is good. Lamang na po ng dalawa. 70-68. 70-60. 70-60. In favor of Rams. No good. 76-8 pa rin po. Lamang pa rin ng dalawa ang Rams. Lopez guarded by Maclac sa ilalim. No good. Di ba by Ortega? Mateo. Nakakuha ni Bueno. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Bueno. 72-60. 6 minutes and 33. Super Heat. 15 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. 15. Second personal foul. First team foul. 14 second shot clock. Sorry, nagdadalaga. 14 second shot clock. So boy, Simon Lopez, 72-70. In favor of Raps pa rin. Lamang dalawa. Bueno, ang ganda pa sa naman. Good pa rin. Rebound point. 72-70, lamang dalawa. Deadlock, all 72. Passes by Lopez, all 72. All 72. Paso Maniego. Maniego to Makulang. Makulang sa ilalim. Oh, paano ba nangyari? Oh, paano ba yan? Ano po yan? Ano po yan? Ano po yan? Sabay mo sa sampo. Oh, oh! Ano po yan? Ano po yan? Oh! Ano lang po? Huwag po, huwag po. Substitution po. Pasok na po. Pakabadya si number 7.
Warning for technical ha.
Warning for technical. Number 3. Maklang. Warning for second motion. Warning for second motion. Maklang. Warning for second motion. Maklang. No good. Out of bounds. Ball goes to BTC. BTC ball. 5 minutes and 24 seconds. Deadlock all 72. All 72. Deadlock all 72. All 72. Pass to Alnaya. Taking 3. No good. 3 more by Paklang. Out of bounds. Ball stays with. Ball goes to BTC. BTC ball. BTC. Low sound check. Check sound. Ball goes stays with. Stays with.
Dito?
Okay. Lima pa Mateo. Mateo. 2 points. Bakla. 74-72. Wala mang dalawa. Grabs. Hello, sound check. Foul. Foul by jersey number 15. 15. Third personal foul. 4 minutes and 14. Yin taking 3. No good. 3 more by Lopez. Lopez to Super Yin. 2 points. Deadlock all 74. 4 minutes exactly. 2 points. Maklang. 76-74. 76-74. All lang po pala, all 76. All 76. No good. Ball stays with BGC. All 76 lang po. All 76. All 76. Substitution. Wala pa po. Wala pa. Substitution. 13 foul pala po. 13 foul. 13 foul pa lang po. 3 minutes and 9 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 3! Layout ka Willie. Lamang na po BGC. 79-76. 2-57. Foul. Foul by using number 7. 7. Second personal foul. 13 foul na rin. 13 foul. Grabs. First shot is no good. Second shot. Makukuha kaya. Makukuha kaya. Nakakuha. 79-77. Lamang na dalawa ang BGC. 2 minutes and 18. 18-second shot clock. 15-second shot clock. 14-second shot clock. PJ Riverino. 82-77. Last 2 minutes. 2 points Maclang. 82-79. 1 minute and 52. 15 seconds to shoot. 82-79. Taking 3. Nugget. 3-5. Kuroko. Pasubol labog. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul. Foul by jersey number 15. 15. Warning for Godwin. Jersey number 15. Warning for penalty na rin. Warning for penalty na rin. Warning for penalty na rin. Grabs. Sabay for sub. No good. 3-5 lane. To Simon. 15 seconds to shoot. Kuroko sa ilalim. No good. Kuroko pa rin. 3-5. Maniego. Tudel na to. Bueno pala. Bueno. Suboy. Bueno. 82-81. Lamang ng isang BGC. 1 minute exactly. 15 seconds.